There's a lot of information out there on how to grow tomatoes. Today, I'm going to tell you my 4 rules for growing better tomatoes and why they work. Number 1, plant them deep.
So the first step is to remove the lower leaves on the tomato plant. Pinch them off or use scissors, either way it'll work just fine. Now you have this long stem with all these little hairs, and each of those can form a root when they're underground. These are called adventitious roots. Then place it back in the hole and cover it back up.
So this does a couple things. Number 1, it anchors the plant better in the soil. It's deeper, so it's harder for it to be pushed around by the wind. It will develop more roots.
And more roots have been linked to more tomatoes earlier in the harvest.
Rule number 2, consistent moisture is key.
Consistent moisture is one of the most important things for healthy tomato plants. It helps plants steadily move water and nutrients from the soil into the plant. And this is especially important for calcium, because calcium moves through the plant with water. If the plant isn't moving water consistently, it may not be moving calcium consistently either, and that can contribute to blossom end rot. Now, a lot of gardeners assume blossom end rot means they need to add more calcium, egg shells or other calcium products, which may help over the long term, but not generally within a single growing season. In fact, in many gardens, the calcium is already present in the soil, and even in city or well water. The bigger issue is often inconsistent moisture. Deep watering and mulch help stabilize soil moisture, encourage deeper roots, and keep nutrients moving steadily through the plant.
Rule number 3, don't worry about the suckers.
Sucker refers to a growth that the plant sends out a shoot between the main stem and a branch. And it's a natural thing that the tomatoes do. It doesn't hurt the plant. Some people, particularly those in commercial endeavors or in greenhouses where they train their tomatoes up a line, they will remove those. In the home garden, I think it's really up to the gardener. If you want to go for the jungle vibe, go for the jungle vibe. You're not hurting anything. If you want to clean them up and pull off the suckers, you certainly can, and you can just pinch them off. You can use scissors if you need, but
Home gardener, it doesn't make that much of a difference. Leave them be if you want.
And rule number 4, harvest them at the right time. Do you have to wait till it looks like this, like it's vine ripened? No, don't. As a matter of fact, I got tired of feeding the chipmunks and the squirrels, so I now pull them when the color has gone all the way through, but they're not totally ripe. This is the breaker stage, and once they're at this stage, they'll continue to ripen. If they're still all the way green, they're not there yet. I can take this inside and let it finish, and it'll end up like this. Stop feeding the critters, get more tomatoes. If you follow these 4 rules, your tomatoes are bound to have a great season. And if you like this content, hit subscribe, hit like, and let me know in the comments what your growing tips are for tomatoes. And we'll see you next time.